What's up, everybody? It's Chris Garcia. Today is gonna be a special. I'm gonna have a special video for y'all. Today, I'm gonna be setting up a Vivosun grow tent setup. Huh, Jaden? And I'm gonna show you guys what me and my wife purchased for my mother-in-law. She's gonna have the ultimate great setup. I'm telling you, it's gonna be Vivosun light, Vivosun inline fan, and the Vivosun 2x4 tent. So let's get the unboxing going. So here we have the 2x4x60, I think, inch tent. Right here. That straight from Amazon Prime. I think it's a thermometer right here. Got all these boxes here. Oh, this is the light right here. I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right, let's get some unboxing done. So here is what the setup's gonna be about. Bam, right here, the Vivosun thermometer. You could have this baby anywhere in your house. This is the, I think this is the meter, or not the meter, the whatever sends a signal to the thermometer to show you the humidity and the temperature in the tent. Unbox that. Here we have a Seedlings heat mat. Pretty good size. I think this is, let me see the dimensions right here. I think it's 24 by 24 inches, maybe. We'll check it out right now. Vivosun inline duct, 4-inch inline fan. All right. Then we have Comfort Zone 6-inch fans. Tip-on fans. It's going to be going in there. And then in this box right here we have.
What box?
Right. A little start kit right here.
Ooh, start kit.
Put some seedlings to get it going. Pretty cool. Check this out right now. All right, here we go. We have 6 cells right here. Pretty cool. And then, let me see, how many come in here? I think 10. Comes with these domes right here. Pretty awesome. And then it comes with 2 trays. And inside the trays, it looks like we have some knobs to control the moisture on top of these domes right here.
Okay.
Oh, that just fell.
It's set up.
Simply just put this, clip it on right here. And then you have the ability to adjust the moisture in the dome. So there you go. Let's see what else we have in here. Also have some labels to make some labels right here. It's nice. And we have, okay, I see a little tool where you can put the seed in. Make the perfect little hole, put the seed in, and bam. All right. Cool. What else? That's about it. And then these cool, awesome trays. All right, let's see what's next. Here we have the inline fan. Just wanted to show you guys really quick. Okay, now let's just rip the tape out. First time opening it up. So let's see what's in here. Okay. From Vivosun. Because we have a little pamphlet right here. This is a claim code, 10% off. Nice. Gets 10% off next purchase. And then here we have some little bit of reading material. Okay, that's cool. How the ice cream man driving by right now. Okay. This product guide and little manual. All right. Okay, now let's see. Take this out. Okay, it's cool. Little 4-inch Okay. All right, this is plastic, not metal. Okay, so it's plastic enclosure all around. Okay, then we have also plastic blades. Plastic blades right here also, not metal. Okay. Power cord. Okay, 2-prong power cord. All right. Okay, well, that's simple. All right, let's off to the next package. Okay, so I quickly took it out the box, but here is this. The thermometer right here. Comes in wrapped up. Comes with 2 sets of batteries. I guess 1 set for the actual thermometer and then another set for, I guess, the meter right here that checks temp, humidity. In case you want to hang it on the wall, mount it to the wall or something, you have this, little screws. So, all right, let's unwrap this. This is the meter. Pretty cool. Okay. And we have the actual thermometer, which is touchscreen. This is touchscreen. Has a light to turn on. Pretty cool. So here is the fan. This is the 6-inch fan. Comes with a little clip. Clip on the poles. Okay, here is the comfort zone fan. All right, and then of course some instructions right here. Okay, so let's check this out. Of course, all plastic except the front grill. It looks like it's some kind of type of aluminum.
Okay.
But all right, comfort zone. Okay. All right, so the part y'all been waiting for, the light fixture. What light am I gonna be adding to this tent? Here we go. Vivosun VS2000 full spectrum LED grow light from Vivosun. Man, this is gonna be the ultimate setup right here. Here we go. Open it up. Of course, right when you open the box, you have a little pamphlet right here. Okay, little pamphlet. Man, this is an awesome looking light. Okay. As you open it, has a spectrum.
Colors.
Spectrum diagram. And that looks like it's about it. Yep. Oh, wait, no, there's more. And then I guess it's backwards. Duh. Okay. The full line of their VS series. I'm guessing? No? No. Nope. Alright. Well, that's what that package is. Okay. Next in this box we have. That's cool, man. This package is really nice.
So what is, Daddy?
We'll find out what this is.
What is it?
Okay, here we have
A remote? Oh, wire.
okay, looks like a little daisy chain connection right here, or some type of yep, daisy chain wire or cord, I should say. Okay, well that's cool. And then I'm guessing in here is the power cord. power cord. 3-prong power cord. Got a 90-degree right here. Bam, that's cool. All right, so that's box number 1. Okay, box number 2. Let's see what's in box number 2. Man, they packaged this really nice. Woo! I am impressed with the packaging.
They're really nice, Daddy.
Huh?
They're really nice.
It's really nice. Okay. All
Let's
right.
look in this one.
So what's in this one right here?
Oh, I think it's a remote.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh, it's the
Here we have some hangers, rope hangers. Oh, that looks cool. I like the color in these. Let's see what type of. Okay, what do we have right here?
They have the glasses.
Oh, awesome. Okay, well, this LED comes with a protected eyewear. So when you're trying to work into the tent with this light on,
you can, there it goes.
Man, look at these.
Now your eyes won't get like,
huh?
now your eyes won't get blind.
Now your eyes will get blind. Okay.
And
My son Jane is explaining how these glasses work. These are awesome.
those are cool, Daddy.
Awesome. And then it comes to the little
Remote.
cleaning cloth,
A cleaning cloth.
microfiber cleaning cloth.
Yeah, cool.
I'm assuming. So,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, we're assuming, I guess.
Okay, so that's cool.
I know
Alright.
it's cool.
Anything else in here?
Ooh. Anything else in there?
Nope. Okay.
Does it come through?
Now it's time for the light.
Let's
All
get
right.
more.
So
All right.
little for the glasses. Here is a protected foam right on top, or the bottom of it. Yep, the bottom. Okay. As you take out the foam, cool. Kind of looking like a little blockish. But look at the back of this. Okay, so another foam right here. Wow, another foam right here. Wow, look at this.
Look at that, Daddy. Ooh.
That is really, really nice. Got, I guess, oxygen absorber pack. All right, a little bit of info. Okay, has, I guess, another daisy chain wire. Okay, so I guess you have 2 then. All right. Well, let's take this bad boy out, but this is the back of the light fixture. This is a solid driver. The driver is under here. Got the dimming knob right here on the side.
They're here.
All right. All right, so as you unpack the light, look at this. Man, look at this.
That's cool.
Comes with a plastic cover over it also. So, plastic sheet.
Oh my God.
Well protected, very well protected.
No, this is a light. Dang, a light. Oh my God.
This is huge. This is the 2000 VS 2000. Oh, look at like the way the O protrudes out. That's pretty awesome. So that's the protected. Protected, I guess, silicone layer over the dials. So that's that. And then the tent. Look at these poles. A 2x4. So it's 24 by 48 by 60. All metal bars or poles, metal poles. Okay, all right. Yes, thank you.
Welcome, Daddy.
All metal. Look at this. All metal.
Daddy, that is so cool. It's the same one that you have.
Okay. With all the poles. is instructions. I guess this is the window covering and the side vent coverings. Alright. North side poles. And then the whole tent cover. So the easiest way to set this up is if you set up the bottom square portion and the top portion. So that's how that looks. Okay, so the tent will be set up on this section of the house and the kitchen. And to set up the long ways going up, on the instructions, it says the bottom piece is right here. It's going to be B. And the top ones is C. And if you're still getting confused about that, okay. This little notch right here, the thinner side. And this is the other pole. You want this side of the pole pointing up. And then the wider end with the little hole where the notch goes in through. Right here. And simply just push in. And there you go. And now you have this notches pointing outward, so you could put in the bottom, same thing like this, the top bottom square, the other half goes on top right here. After it's all connected, this is how it looks like. A perfect long square, kind of like. And then what's next is putting the cover over. So that's gonna be the kind of stressful part right there. Stressful part. So after putting the cover on, one person can do it, but it's easier if two people will help you. So, self-explanatory. Unzip the whole thing all around. It unzips all around to the bottom. So, yeah. Here are the rope hangers. Vivosun brand. Pretty awesome, pretty sturdy. And to power all this up, you guys ask, bam, smart power strip by Taken. So what you do here, download the app, link it to your network. You could control your tent, your lights, your inline fan, your tent fans, your heat mat, your dehumidifiers, your humidifiers, anything with this smart plug. All you gotta do is download the app on your phone, connect it to your network, set up a timer. I have a video on my channel on how this works. I also have one in my tent at home. It works great. Wonders, wonders. So there it is. Got the light set up. Got the Vivosun VS 2000 set up. Beast of a light. Look at that. Look at that.
It's so cool. It's so cool for water there.
It is bright. It is bright. Show you guys here. Here's that smart plug. There's 4 channels plus the USBs. All you have to do Bam, it's a switch. Fan turns off. You can also set the timer. There it is. Haven't set up the inline fan because, well, I ran out of ratchets. They had no more ratchets, didn't come with none, or ducting. So that's the only downfall, is this does not come with ducting or ratchets. You could probably get a bundle. I'm gonna link all this in the description. I got all this on Amazon. So also connected, also have this connected also. Bam. The meter's right there. That's the numbers so far. So there you go. Glasses right here. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Sorry I couldn't set up everything up, but there it is. All right. Please like, subscribe to the video.